My name is David Bevan. I've been in real estate here in Arizona since 2004. I worked in a very structured environment before. I was a financial analyst for a big financial firm, and it's night and day now. I have the same work ethic and can put in the hours, but I like that I can do my own thing. I treat every transaction and every client like I'm selling or buying for my mom. I mean, I love my mom, so I want her to be happy, and that's kind of the same way I feel for my clients. I want them to be happy at the end of this process. I want them to be financially successful, and I want them to be set up on their journey. The two main things that I always focus on is preparation and communication. So doing all the legwork, doing all the analytics in advance, and then communicating with my clients from start to finish, every part of the transaction. If I do all of my work on the front end, cover all the details, answer all the questions, then if something comes up, if we have a surprise, it's just not going to make a difference in the transaction. We're going to be prepared for it. As a realtor, it's important that you just don't have an ego. Your clients come first. If you're not the expert, then you have to get the expert involved. That's always a priority to me. It's taking care of these clients, whether I look bad or not. Getting them through the transaction and getting them in the best possible situation is the most important to me.